Give up, little bird. Your task is hopeless. A few drops of water can't quench your raging fire. Cease now and save yourself.
I don't need a shining eagle to give me advice. What I need is for someone to help.
And the god, who is that great eagle, thought suddenly of his own privileged kind, floating high above.
Ooh, 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 look at that foolish bird. How ridiculous, how absurd.
Suddenly, a single desire is kindled in the eagle's heart. God though he is, he just wants to be like that brave little parrot and help. Flushed with these new feelings, he begins to weep. Stream after stream of sparkling tears pours from his eyes. Wave upon wave, they wash down like cooling rain upon the fire, upon the forest, upon the animals, and upon the little parrot himself. The fires, who once blazed out of control, now subdue their flames, providing warmth and color to the grasslands. Where the teardrops sparkle on the parrot's wings, new feathers begin to grow. Red feathers, green feathers, yellow feathers too.